this video don't come off as, you know, bratish or ungrateful. I like to think of it as, you know, trying to make sure I don't waste your coins. Hey good people, so you know, leading with a grateful heart. Okay, leading with a grateful heart, I want to talk about, you know, some things that's probably not a good idea to buy your significant other for Valentine's Day. Now, you know, I like to look at it more as I want to make sure you don't waste your coin, okay? Because if you buy these things for me, you most definitely wasting your money. Most definitely wasting your money. Most definitely wasting. So, you know, I just want to share, you know,
how about no?
To buy your wife, your girlfriend, your husband, your significant other for Valentine's Day. Like, these things are played out. These things were never in play. You know, don't be mad at me. Let's talk about it. Because think of it more as, because we friends, I don't want you to waste your coin. I don't want you to waste your coin. And also, if you like me, but you're trying to be polite and you don't want to tell your husband, your girlfriend, your wife, your husband these things, just forward him this video. I'll tell him for you. That's what friends are for. I got you. Just forward him this video. I got you. I'll tell him. Okay? So, if you're new here, my name is Rakita, and thank you so much for joining me on this video. And I promise you, I'm a grateful human being. I'm a grateful human being who just want to save you some coins and not waste your money. But with that all said and done, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing and turning on those notifications. And with that said and done, let's get into it. All right, let's get the traditional things out the way, because I think for the most part, this is the stuff that grinds my gears. Okay, chocolates. Yes, chocolate. Listen, I know chocolates, you know, the ones that come in the heart-shaped box, the assorted chocolates is a Valentine's Day staple, but no more. So, cause here's why. Let me tell you why. Now, let me start with me personally. I eat chocolate every day. If not every other day. So, you know, that's not really a gift. That's not really a gift. And plus, like, those assorted chocolates, out of, let's say, a box of 24, only 2 of them good. Y'all know the rest of them chocolates is nasty. You're really just buying the heart-shaped box to be cute, because them chocolates is nasty. And I don't know one person, not one whole adult, that will eat all of those chocolates in them Valentine's Day heart boxes. Not one. Kids will look at you crazy if you give it to them. Okay? Don't buy them heart-shaped chocolate boxes no more. Nobody eat them chocolates. And another thing, while we talking about traditional gifts for Valentine's Day, I don't know who said every woman likes flowers, because that's a lie. Thank you, Alexa. But that's a lie. That's a lie. It ain't truth in that. I'm sorry. And now listen, I like flowers. Don't get me wrong, but I like them outside my house. I like them in my garden, you know, my front yard, some in my backyard. But I don't want to take care of them. I like my thumbs brown. I don't want a green thumb. And when you give somebody flowers, I mean, I'm just telling the truth. You give them a bouquet of flowers, or, you know, a flower arrangement, you're going to get, oh my God, they so pretty for the first 10 minutes. Maybe 30. Maybe 30 if the person, you know, have a green thumb. But after that, no, they're not exciting anymore. And then for me personally, the next day I'm mad. I got a little bit of attitude, because then I got to clean up the mess of the fallen leaves, the fallen petals. Or I got to make sure I water them, or put the little food packet that... No thank you. No thank you. Oh, And listen, I know what you're gonna say. Well, Rakita, you know they make the eternity flowers that last a year. I don't want that either. Don't pick my home decor. Who said for a whole year I'ma want red roses on display or pink roses or white roses? No, thank you. No, thank you. Don't waste your money. Don't waste your money, cause All right, now. While we on the road, did we even get off the road of traditional Valentine's? Probably not, but luxury stuff is coming first. But I need to get this off my chest, the traditional ones first. Y'all know those little peg candies that have like the messages on them, be mines or hugs or something like that? Yeah, don't give that to nobody that's not under the age of 5. Don't, because I'm gonna talk about you. I'm gonna talk about you. You can go ahead and keep those. Go ahead and keep those. Okay, the last non-luxury item, because I had to get this off my chest, y'all. I'm sorry. The last one is Valentine's Day cards. I feel like this with cards in general. Okay, unless it's a personal note, a personal apology, a personal love letter, or something like that. I don't care what Hallmark got to say. I don't care. Don't give me a card where Hallmark is telling a million people that they the love of their lives. Okay, because Hallmark wrote it. I don't care. Hallmark wrote it. I'm gonna read what Hallmark say. I'm gonna see your name signed at the bottom, and then what? Okay, I'm gonna pretend like it's sweet for the first 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna put the card somewhere. I ain't gonna never see that card again. Say it's $7. Say it's $7, or you can put the $7 you bought on a Hallmark card on a Starbucks gift card, and I can get me a latte. I'm just telling the truth. Listen, I'm trying to save you some money, because when I buy somebody a gift, let me know what you want, because don't waste my coin. So I'm just trying to return the favor. Treat people the way you want to be treated. All right, so let's get into some stuff. Now, I have been seeing, which, you know, inspired this video. I have been seeing, you know, granted, it's close to Valentine's Day, so of course, you know, they're on full display of advertisement. But the heart-shaped Coach bags and then the heart-shaped Kate Spade bags, no, don't get me wrong. They are pretty. They are very pretty. But they are a waste of money. And let me tell you why. Unless you are a pink wearer, when I say a pink wearer, I mean like twice a week. Okay, you got something pink on, something red on, they're a waste of money. Don't spend up for, as far as with the Kate and the Coach, because they're a couple of $100. Don't waste your money. Don't waste a couple of $100 on something I'm only going to be able to wear once a year. Okay, because with the heart-shaped bag, can you even pull that off during Christmas? It's too gimmicky, is my point. You know what I'm saying? So don't buy that, because you're wasting your money. And then, you know, if the person that you're buying it for is not really, you know, dressing into trend or following the trend, they really not gonna wear it Valentine's Day. And not, you know, they're probably gonna wear it when you come take them out. Don't do it. Just, you know, just my 2 cents. They're my 2 cents. Jewelry for Valentine's Day is a great idea, but don't let it be costume jewelry. Don't do it. I don't care if Chanel is on it. No. Here's the thing. Fine jewelry, yes, okay, but costume jewelry, not because nothing's wrong with costume jewelry, is because to me that is something personal. That is something that an individual picks out because it speaks to them, it's their style. So unless you know for sure that your wife, your husband, significant other was eyeing that piece, don't do it. Cause it's a little tacky. Costume jewelry for Valentine's Day, you know. And speaking of personal gifts, fragrances. Again, fragrance is a good gift. But if you have not, you know, saw that person's wish list with that specific fragrance on their wish list, or they haven't mentioned it, but like if you don't know for a fact they don't want that fragrance, don't do it. Don't do it, because again, a scent is something very personal. People usually People usually choose scents based off of how the scent makes them feel, how it makes them maybe bring up a memory, or you know, maybe that aroma, if they're into musky perfumes or fragrances, it reminds them of a certain period. Like it's very personal. It's very personal is the point that I'm trying to make. And a person is not going to wear a perfume or a cologne that doesn't speak to them. So you're going to be wasting your money. Don't do it. Don't do it, Cletus. Don't do it. Okay. Now, last but not least, because when I saw this come across my screen, I dropped everything and pulled out this camera to make this video. Gucci done dropped a line, handbags, shoes, accessories, everything, whole 9 yards of items with the word love written in red letters. I ain't lying. I ain't telling no lies. Love written all up. Listen, I know Gucci have a lot of collabs. I have a lot of drops where, you know, they a little extra, okay? And this is coming from somebody who appreciated their psychedelic collection. But listen, ain't nobody wearing that every day. Ain't no. And then here's the thing, things like that that's really gimmicky or that have words, or because when they did the what is it, This Is Not Fake, was it This Is Not Fake or So Fake collection, y'all know what I'm talking about because it was tacky. Y'all know what I'm talking about because it was tacky. Okay, that was a waste of money, and I'm almost sure I put money on it. People don't wear that no more, even if they bought it or they tried to sell it. I don't. The gimmicky things, the collections that have, you know, these phrases or words on them that fits for the moment, usually don't last. And luxury that don't last to me equals money down the drain. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. I'm just trying to save you a point or two, okay? Don't do it. Don't do it. Okay, good people, that is it. Thank you so much. When I tell y'all I had to get off my chest, when I saw that Gucci drop, I was just like, no ma'am, no ma'am, no ham. Let me tell the good people, don't do it. No, listen, I'm not right all the time. I'm not right all the time. So let me know, do you agree with me? Is it a little bit too much? Do you feel it's gimmicky? Because I feel like it's gimmicky. Or even with the traditional stuff, like the boxes of chocolates, the flowers. Do you like, tell truth, do you really still appreciate that stuff? If so, let me know. Tell me I'm wrong. Tell me I'm wrong. I am honestly genuinely curious. Let me know. So if you haven't already, please consider subscribing, and of course turning on those notifications because I don't want you to miss a video from your girl. And you can keep up with your girl on the daily. I am TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest at Rakita's Closet. Also keep up with me on my blog at www.rakitascloset.com, and I will see you beautiful people in the next one. Okay, bye.